The arts and crafts of Rajasthan have been captivating hearts for many a decade. Be it the exquisite artistry of murals, paintings, woodcraft or garments, the regal flair of Rajasthan is present in every aspect. Produced mainly in Jaipur and Jodhpur, Rajasthani juttis or morjaris are sure to enchant and to provide a royal touch to one's attire. Jaipuri shoes are traditionally made of leather and ornamented with detailed embroidery. These morjaris or juttis have evolved into several localized design variations. By and large, they have no distinction for the left or the right foot and over time take the shape of the foot they are worn on. They usually have a flat sole and are similar in design for both women and men, except that men's juttis have a sharp extended tip curved upwards like the traditional Rajasthani moustache and are also called khussa. Some women juttis have no heel covering near the ankle. The uppers are made of one piece of leather or textile, embroidered and embellished with brass nails, cowrie shells, mirrors, bells and ceramic beads. The bonding from the upper to the sole is done by cotton thread to give the leather fibre great strength. Some product ranges also use bright and ornate threads. Even with the changing times, juttis have remained part of ceremonial attire, especially at weddings. The less embellished juttis are used for everyday wear for both men and women in most of North India, including Punjab and Rajasthan. These painstakingly crafted juttis are exported all over the world. Morjaris and juttis are the favourite footwear for all Rajasthanis alike, from royal families down to the farmers working in their fields. It is something which was and still is commonly used by almost all social groups of Rajasthan. With the passing of time, the favourite footwear of Rajasthan evolved from the desert to metropolitan cities and became the footwear preferred in festivals and weddings all over the country.